Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Farming Simulator 22. It's a fantastic way to share your farming empire with friends, no matter what system they play on. You can easily connect with up to 6 friends when hosting from your Xbox, or expand to 16 players by using a dedicated server. We'll cover everything from setting up your game to managing your farm with others, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable cooperative experience. Getting started in multiplayer is straightforward. From the main menu, simply navigate to the Multiplayer tab. Here, you'll have the option to either create game or join game. If you're hosting, select an empty save slot, choose your preferred map, and give your server a memorable name. Always set a password to keep your farm private. If you're joining, search for your friend's server name and input the password they provide. Once your multiplayer session is active, the host has control over various game settings. This includes adjusting the difficulty, managing the in-game economy, and assigning permissions to other players. Remember, for everyone to join successfully, all participants must have the exact same mods and downloadable content installed. It's also important to note that in a player-hosted game, only the host's progress is saved, so coordinate your farming efforts carefully. To ensure the best multiplayer experience, always confirm that crossplay is enabled in your server settings if you have friends on different systems. For continuous farming without the host needing to be online, renting a dedicated server is highly recommended, supporting up to 16 players. Effective communication is key. Discuss your farming plans, equipment usage, and overall objectives to work together efficiently and maximize your harvest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.